Black Forest is a mountainous region in southwest Germany bordering France. It's a place where you can hike for miles through pristine forests, see the remains of castles built in medieval times, and walk along the shoreline of sparkling lakes. You can also get up close to friendly animals, eat some delicious German food, or try the traditional Black Forest crafts and discover some stunning architecture. We are about to enter the Cuckoo clock factory. And that's a water mill which runs on water power. The place looks just like a page from a fairy tale, with the beautiful farmhouses. We are about to enter the Cuckoo clock shop. It's called Cuckoo's Nest. See the rows and rows of beautiful cuckoo clocks. It is a beautiful piece of artwork. When the clock strikes the hour, beautiful figures come out, starts moving on their own. Birds come out from little windows which open up at the top of the clock. Lovely.
It tells you the time, okay? At 1 o'clock one time, 2 o'clock two times, just like that. Also, we have something like this one here. See a guy walking in his workshop, and behind him there stands a lady. And guess what? She's got something like this in the hand. Now, let's see what happens if it doesn't work out enough. And bad luck for him, now it's gonna put seven times on the head.
The fall colors have started to show up, as you can see from the tree over there. Many rivers originate from the Black Forest, like the Danube, Enns, Kinzig, among others. You must be wondering why this place is called Black Forest. Well, it gets its name from the canopy of evergreen trees looming high above the forest floor, which hardly allows any sun rays to come in, giving it a dark appearance at some places. While my group members were busy buying cuckoo clocks, I decided to explore the area and started hiking on my own. It was a beautiful experience, just nature and myself. You could be attracted to many outdoor activities like hiking trails that crisscross the Black Forest area, or sampling some of the skiing and snowshoe walking in the winter months. As I was walking alone along this pathway, I could see glimpses of a church in between the trees. This is St.Oswald's chapel in Breitenau, Germany. The chapel is dedicated to the Oswald of Northumbria, a 7th century Anglo-Saxon king. The church is characterized by an early Gothic style and romantic arched windows. There was a cemetery which was used until 1863. I made a surprising discovery. There is a crypt below the floor level of the chapel, and there is a window through which I could see lots and lots of human bones, skulls, ribs, thigh bones, hip bones. Later on, I learned that local people arranged for their bones to be stored in the crypt so that on resurrection morning, where better to be than in the company of a saint. Towards the end of the Second World War, the chapel was damaged several times by bombs. Extensive restoration work was necessary in 1950. There are many small rivulets and streams flowing and crisscrossing across the Black Forest, and that's the Ravenna bridge in the distance. This is an old sawmill used for cutting timber. The Ravenna Bridge is a 58 meters high and 225 meters long railway viaduct on the Hollental railway line in the Black Forest, in Breitenau, Germany. The first structure was completed in 1885. The bridge was exploded by German forces near the end of World War II. It was rebuilt in 1947-48 under the direction of French occupying forces with the use of German prisoners of war who were obligated to undertake compulsory labor. I could see people walking on the road which runs beside the beautiful rivulet, which flows with a gurgling sound. The area is frequented by many visitors who love hiking, since there is the beautiful Lake Titisee nearby. This is another reason why you should do your research work properly before coming to a place. I missed the Lake Titisee, but I would advise you to definitely give it a visit. About 36 kilometers from here, A little bit more hiking will take you to the beautiful Tribuck waterfall. That's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.